Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Techify, and I've got here the DOOGEE Smini, a compact and rugged phone so small it's able to fit in my pocket. Let's dive in and see what the DOOGEE Smini is all. The DOOGEE Smini has a metal frame with rubber edges that looked impact resistant at the top and bottom of the device. At the back, you can find the two camera sensors at the top and its rear-facing speakers near the bottom with some DOOGEE branding right above them. Another key feature of the Smini rear is the mini LCD display that shows the time, date, battery life, and even temperature and humidity. Pretty nifty if you just need to grab your phone for a sec to look at the time or how much battery you have left. The phone is able to fit my small hands, and I can use one hand to navigate around the phone. It builds features IP68 and IP69K protection, which means it has levels of protection against water, dust, sand, and the like. The Smini comes in three colorways: purple, black, and silver, which is the one we have here. You have the volume buttons and power button. There is also a fingerprint scanner on the right side, a customizable macro button to set any action, and a tray for 2 nano SIMs or 1 nano SIM, and a TF card on the left side, and a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfers at the bottom. The Smini sports a 4.5 in QHD plus TF display. With a 1270 by 480 resolution and a pixel density of 281 ppi and a peak brightness of 600 nits, though it has a small display, it's able to capture the colors in photos and videos that you view. It's not too dull either. As for sound quality, you've got to be mindful of how you hold or place the phone, as the speakers are at the back of the device, which means laying down the device or how you hold it may muffle the sound output. The DOOGEE Smini runs an MediaTek Helios G99 chipset with a Raleigh G57 MC2 GPU. Though it can run 8-ball pool and temple run, you have to play it at the lowest of settings. Bumping it up to low will give you evident lag, and even that the device will heat up gradually. As long as you have games on their lowest of settings, the device has 256 GB of internal storage and 8 GB of RAM. That can be expanded up to 15 GB through extended RAM. We have a 50 megapixel PDAF AI main camera with an aperture of 1.8 and a 2 megapixel macro with an aperture of 2.4. On the front, we have an 8 megapixel camera that features a 1.8 aperture. With the size of the phone, it's easy to take selfies, photos, and videos. The DOOGEE Smini runs on Android 13, so it's all stock Android apps here. LoadWe is evident on the device, but they can be deleted if you don't want to use them. So, if you own an Android smartphone already, you won't have a hard time adjusting. Also, to get this out of the way, the DOOGEE Smini comes with Wi-Fi, NFC, GPS, and Bluetooth 5.2. It's powered by a 3000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging support. It does drain a bit fast, as I used it to play games, take photos, and watch videos. The DOOGEE Smini is a decent one to pick up. What do you think of the Smini? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked this video or found it informative or enjoyable, don't forget to hit that like button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future uploads to stay updated with latest tech news and reviews. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.